regular use paste. It's really a marvelous one. There's no word about whoever use about this, they know. Still, I'll explain about this. So you can see, you don't have any other paste like, says, all these special things. It does this. It's written boldly on it. You can see all the other paste maybe at the back side or the side, it's really small. It's really confidently it's written on top. This whitens the teeth and removes plaque. You need to regularly use this one so that it removes the flakes. And fights cavities, the same thing, you need to regularly use, not just 1 or 2 days or just leave it and then tell, okay, this is not good, not that way. And it safely cleans, it doesn't create any harm for the enamel. It's very soft and very delicate to the teeth and freshens breathe. And also it's remineralizes, that means, any enamel is gone, it will reconstruct also. That is this type of paste. So I'm just doing, many of you would have seen the demo, but still I just repeat and just wanted to tell you something, why it is happening that way also. So this is just cardboard, normally from all the carton boxes. So I just put some numbers, so I just want to identify which is which. So this is I didn't want to show you the brand. So this is the next brand, which normally everyone likes and everybody use. I'm just taking a bit from that and rubbing it here. This is our paste here.
Wow. Wow.
I just want to tell you why this is like fluoride based paste. You will be hearing about fluoride in every other products also. So it's scientifically proven, like fluoride is good for the teeth, but there should be a particular amount of fluoride in the paste. So that is considered as fluoride is calculated by ppm. That is called a particle per million. So that is the ADA or American Dental Association. Everyone has proved that it should be 900 ppm to 1000 ppm. So whatever is in the market now is all about 1100 ppm to 1300. as in US, and in Europe there is a lot like, it is like even about 1450 ppm. And one interesting thing is when you use this along with water, so when it mixes with water, it will increase because of natural water, and even the treated water got fluoride in the water. So that mixes with the paste, the fluoride content will increase. The fluoride is very dangerous for the total oral health. So I want to tell you, in our paste, it is tested, and it is, when it is not mixed with water, it is 900 ppm, and when it is, it is 950 ppm. When it is mixed with water, it is 990 ppm. So it is very safe for our teeth and the oral health.
Wow.